Welcome to 1171 Dothan Road. This awesome updated 3-bedroom, 3 full bath brick ranch style home with a 2-car garage carport, large fenced backyard with workshop, and completely updated interior, including luxury vinyl plank flooring throughout and granite countertops. Is located off of Broad River Road in the northwest area of Columbia. It's convenient to I-20 and I-26. Also Harbison dining and shopping, Lake Murray, and a quick commute to downtown as well. So we're approaching the front. As you can see, you have a 2-car garage. As you can see from the outside here, you have some nice brickwork as well. Out in the yard, it's a nice sized lot, and the lot goes back quite a ways as well, as we'll see from the inside. But you can also see just some of the nice brick detailing out here in the front as you enter as well. So stepping inside, first thing you notice here are the floors. So those are luxury vinyl plank floors, and they are updated throughout the home. So you have nice neutral paint. You step into this sort of foyer hallway area. You have chrome molding in here as well, and looks like a good bit of the lighting and everything has also been updated. And you have a hall down to bedrooms on that side, but you step sort of straight through into the kitchen, and you can see the kitchen is a nice size, sort of a wide galley-style kitchen, open to the dining area. On the other end, you have white cabinets and gray granite countertops, black appliances with an included above-range microwave, smooth top electric range, as well as a dishwasher and the side-by-side fridge over here. And while we're on this side, you can see that there is access to the garage space. So when I said it was a garage carport, I did say that because on the front you do have the carport door. However, it's been enclosed, but it is open to the back side. But you have fencing due to the fact that you have a paved drive that goes all the way back to that sort of garage and workshop building that you see way in the back there. You have an additional workshop there as well. We'll see that space also from another area of the home, so it won't go fully back there right now. But here you just have a couple of storage spaces. That is a storage closet there, and another one on this side. And then you can just see sort of the view to back there. So keep that in mind for vehicle storage and parking. And then back inside, you can see again sort of the flush mount lights installed in the kitchen that have been updated. So off this space, you have a sort of a sunken den or sunroom area that's down here. And the flooring continues. You have some exposed brick. It's nice, so it's most likely completely finished off at some point. We have nice windows in here. There's a ceiling fan. You also do have a full bathroom down here as well. And it sort of functions, I believe, as the guest bathroom for the house. So you have a single vanity in here, medicine cabinet beside a nice window, and then you have a shower stall on your right. But the exposed brick continues into there as well. And then on this side, you just have a nice size sort of pantry or storage closet here. And you can see there's even sort of a built-in bin for, probably potatoes or onions or something down there or whatever. But you have shelving in here, and then even some hanging space above. And then out back, so this connects to the back, so you get another outdoor space. You have a screened porch area right off the back of here, so it's sort of a screened in patio. And then through the side, you can see the backyard. Just light for you there, so you can see you have a nice sized backyard that goes quite a ways back. So you have a sort of a built-in barbecue here, some kind of built-in sort of picnic or tabletop surfaces, and then kind of a concrete pad and patio out there, as well as that large, we won't go back there, but we'll maybe try to zoom in for you, that large storage shed and garage back there. There is paved access to that, so it's tons of storage space inside there. There may be a picture of the inside included as well, and then you have an additional storage shed on this side also. And again, that's just that driveway that comes around from the front. So we'll head back inside of here, finish taking a look at the rest of the house. So back inside, this door accesses the space on the other side. There is a key in there that locks that. I wasn't able to get through, so you may have better luck than I, but it will remain a mystery as to whether or not it actually opens. And the dining area off the kitchen has a ceiling fan, some crown molding as well. And also you have an additional living space down here, of course, the family room that is down a couple of steps. You have some nice dental crown molding in here, nice ceiling fan as well, and looks like a wood-burning fireplace or stove, and that's that door from the other side. But a nice sort of brick wall and hearth along there, so nice design. And now we're finally back in that sort of hallway off the entry that we saw, and we're actually starting on our right here. So the reason I mentioned the bathroom being sort of the guest bath for the house is that the other two full bathrooms are en suites or attached to other bathrooms, attached to other bedrooms. So there's no access from the outside without going into the bedroom itself, of course. So here's one of those. This would, I guess, be considered the primary suite, since the bathroom does have slightly more features than the other. And so you have a closet here. A light on for your walk-in closet in here. And then the bathroom itself, as you can see, so you have granite countertop on the vanity there. And some lighting above. You also have a mirror against that back wall. And it looks like a jetted tub with tiles around. And then you also have the separate shower with a rain head, shower head on this side. And then you have your commodes for the back in the alcove over there. And then right across the hall, you have another bedroom. And this one also has an ensuite bath. So you can see the closet is back on this side. And it's sort of a small walk-in, very similar to the other one. And then you have the smaller bathroom, but you have a single vanity there, and also the sort of corner shower that's glassed in. Is sort of tucked back here. Let's see. Pop over just to get you an unobstructed view of that mirror and vanity and the window beside that. Swing back out, and then we'll go back down the hall if we can find our way and take a look at the very last bedroom of the three. And this one is the only one that does not have its own bathroom. So you have a ceiling fan in here. Nice bay, windows against the front, takes up almost that entire front wall, looking out over the front yard, and then a very similar size closet in style to the other two in the first and second bedroom. So that completes our tour of this home. Again, the address here is 1171 Dothan Road in Northwest Columbia. You can find more information online at sc.purepm.co.